Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into simple ways to boost your well-being and make life a little easier. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? You're not alone. Millions of people find themselves tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling, or watching the clock tick by in the middle of the night. So today, I'm sharing some simple, natural remedies to help you drift off peacefully. No counting sheep required. Whether you're dealing with stress, a busy mind, or just want to improve your nightly routine, these tips are for you. Let's start with melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone your body naturally makes to regulate your sleep cycle. It's like your body's internal clock, helping you know when it's time to wind down and when it's time to wake up. But sometimes, stress, late night screen time, or even travel across time zones can throw that cycle out of whack, making it harder to fall asleep or wake up refreshed. That's when a melatonin supplement might help. It can gently nudge your body back into its natural rhythm, especially if you're adjusting to a new schedule or struggling with occasional sleeplessness. The trick is to use the lowest dose possible. Think 0.5 to 3 milligrams, about 30 minutes before bed. Start small and see how your body responds, since everyone's needs are a little different. More isn't always better, and taking too much can mess with your sleep or leave you groggy the next morning. It's all about finding that sweet spot for your body. Remember, melatonin isn't a magic fix, and it's best for short-term use. It's not meant to be a nightly habit forever, but it can be a helpful tool when you need a little extra support. Always talk to your doctor first, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on meds. Your healthcare provider can help you decide if melatonin is right for you, and make sure it won't interact with anything else you're taking. Now, let's talk essential oils. These little bottles pack a big punch when it comes to creating a relaxing bedtime atmosphere. If you've never tried them before, this could be your new bedtime ritual. Aromatherapy is a gentle, enjoyable way to signal to your brain that it's time to slow down. Lavender is the superstar here. Its soothing scent is famous for helping people relax and let go of the day's worries. Studies show its scent can slow your heart rate and relax your mind, making it easier to drift off naturally. Even just a few deep breaths can make a difference. Simply add a few drops to your diffuser or pillow. You can even sprinkle a drop or two on your pajamas or a sleep mask for a gentle all-night effect. Chamomile is another gentle favorite, famous for its calming vibe. It's perfect if you're feeling anxious or restless before bed. Or try a blend with sandalwood or bergamot for an earthy twist. These oils can add a grounding, comforting note to your nighttime routine. Just be sure to use pure, high-quality oils and keep them away from pets or kids. Some essential oils can be harmful if ingested or used incorrectly, so always read the labels, and never apply them directly to your skin without diluting. Mix with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil to avoid irritation. Looking for something to sip on? A warm drink can be incredibly soothing as part of your wind-down routine. Herbal teas have been bedtime staples for centuries. They're caffeine-free and packed with natural compounds that help your body relax. Chamomile tea is the classic. It has mild sedative effects that help you unwind. It's gentle enough for most people and can be enjoyed nightly. Valerian root tea is a little earthier, but many people swear by it for deeper sleep. It's especially helpful if you have trouble staying asleep through the night. Lemon balm tea is another gentle choice, perfect if you struggle with stress or an overactive mind. Its light, citrusy flavor is a bonus. Brew your tea about 30 minutes before bed, make it part of your wind-down routine, and let your body take the hint that it's time to rest. Pair it with a good book or some soft music for extra relaxation. But here's the real secret. No single remedy works in isolation. It's about creating a calming environment and a routine your body can count on. Good sleep is about more than just remedies. It's about building habits that tell your brain it's time to rest night after night. Try turning off screens an hour before bed, dim those lights, and keep your bedroom cool and cozy. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. Layer in the natural supports I mentioned, and you're setting yourself up for restful nights, naturally. Experiment to find what works best for you, and don't be afraid to mix and match. So what's your favorite way to relax before bed? Maybe it's journaling, gentle stretching, or a few minutes of meditation. Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. Your tips might help someone else in our community get the rest they need to. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness ideas. Sweet dreams, everyone. Here's to peaceful nights and brighter mornings ahead.